Wow, penthouse perfection, Houston penthouse perfection, but in the Montrose area and in a quiet way. Isn't this beautiful? Hey, this is the Pearl Rosemont. This is the 3-bedroom penthouse apartment that they have. I don't even have the lights on. You can see how much light is in here coming through these beautiful windows. It's just a gorgeous, gorgeous place. So by the way, I'm Graham Bynum, and this is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. And my business is called Uptown 101, Uptown 101. So I'm looking here, oh my gosh, first of all, the kitchen, look at all this. Again, I don't even have the lights on, but man, it just doesn't need it because it's all white, it's all beautiful. And it just looks amazing here, it really does. And it's got just so many cabinets, white cabinets, beautiful appliances here, huge island. That's probably a 10-foot island. You could put 4 chairs under there easily. You've even got an exhaust. Oh, so cool to have that exhaust system here. Beautiful, even things like this wine fridge, just simply gorgeous. And you've got even a built-in table. That's really nice. But then you've got a just gorgeous 3 bedrooms waiting for you. So let's pop into those really quick. You've got one over here. This is one of the bedrooms. Really nice. Beautiful. I love all the light that's coming in. And then here is the bath. The bath looks amazing. Just gorgeous and so beautiful. Dual sink. You've got the amazing walk-in shower and the tub, and then a huge closet. Wow, it's just simply sumptuous. Then over here, we go past the kitchen, everything. We go over here, and then we have bedroom number 2. This is a bedroom, but it can also be an office. So it could be this bedroom, and it's got the closet here. It's got a lot of good space in here, but then you can close this off at any time. Very nice. And then you've got this beautiful bedroom number 3, very nice, also with a lot of light. I mean, you're facing east, so you're getting great light, especially in the morning. You got a closet here, just gorgeous. And then finally, just again, back in this bathroom. This bathroom is really cute. Huge dual sink. It's perfect for guests too. And this amazing 3-bedroom, this is on the penthouse floor, and it's quite the value, I have to say. When I heard the price for how nice this is, being on the top floor, you won't believe it. It's awesome. Hey, if you'd like to take a tour of this penthouse, this Houston penthouse, send me a text. We can set up a virtual tour. That way you can see it on your iPhone, see what you think, and then come here in person. So we'd love to help you out with that. And I will take care of taking care of that tour for you. So send me that text, use my number below, and just say hi.